Clean house without household chemicals. The fact of the harm of household chemicals is confirmed experimentally. U.S. scientists conducted research, which found that the most polluted air is not on the street, not even near the highway, but inside residential premises. Even if the house was located in the countryside, the amount of chemical compounds in it was several times higher than outside it. All this is the influence of household chemicals. How to replace them to make our home not only clean, but also safe. Wash dishes with clay. Let's start with washing dishes. Experts have calculated that a housewife who washes dishes with her hands literally consumes about half a liter of detergent per year. This is the inhalation of the vapors of the product when washing dishes, a poorly rinsed product that enters the body from the plates along with food, the absorption of chemicals through the hands. Almost every detergent contains substances hazardous to health, in particular, chlorine and diethylamine, the systematic entry of which into the body increases the risk of cancer. In addition, there are many fake detergents on the market. What is included in their composition is completely unknown. You should also remember that the synthetic detergent is not easily washed off the plate. To wash off the chemicals, you need to rinse the dishes under running water for about 20 seconds. And be sure to wash it with rubber gloves. But it is better to abandon household chemicals altogether, especially since there are improvised environmental cleaners that can be used to wash dishes quickly, cleanly and safely. It's very good to wash dishes with soda. By the way, some cafes and restaurants that really care about the health of visitors are already switching to this product. Soda can also be used to clean sinks and toilets. Clay, gray, white, blue, which can be bought at a pharmacy. We apply a small amount of it on a sponge and wash dishes. For this purpose, laundry soap can also be used. We wash beans. In washing powders, surfactants are the most hazardous to health, which, if systematically ingested, can cause metabolic disorders. In addition to surfactants, powders also contain phosphates, which contribute to changes in blood composition and impaired immunity. By rinsing, it is impossible to completely wash out harmful chemicals from clothes and especially from bed linen. Therefore, they can cause allergies, skin rashes, asthma attacks, and also increase the risk of cancer. In order not to risk your health in vain, you need to switch to ecological washing. Safe washing powder, which is suitable for both hand and machine washing, you can prepare yourself. To do this, grate 250 grams of laundry soap, add 125 grams of baking soda and 125 milliliters of borax. Before washing, put 125 milliliters of this mixture into the washing machine instead of powder. Before rinsing, you can add 125 to 250 milliliters of wine vinegar. Silk and woolen items, which are usually washed by hand, are perfectly washed with bean broth. To cook it, you need to boil 200 grams of beans until cooked in a liter of water. After that, strain the broth, pour into a bowl of warm water and beat the foam. After such washing, things need to be rinsed several times, adding a little vinegar to the last water, a tablespoon per liter of water. If you decide to give up household chemicals, it is also advisable to change your shampoo and shower gel to environmentally friendly ones. To prepare a shampoo, you need to add 1 yolk, 2 tablespoons of ground ginger and 1 tablespoon of bee pollen to half a glass of dry mustard. Stir until smooth. This shampoo strengthens the hair very well and nourishes the scalp. An excellent shower product will turn out from ground natural coffee. Add dry ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon per 3 tablespoons of coffee, to the drunk coffee and you can use it. The skin will become elastic and beautiful.